Hey guys, Siddharth here with another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this SSD by RAVPower. For those who don't know, RAVPower is a good brand. They are usually famous for charging devices like fast chargers and portable chargers. I have a few chargers from them and they have performed really well. The quality of these products has always been nice. So this product is usually around $90 on Amazon, but almost all the time I've seen a $10 clip coupon, bringing the cost down to $80. I got mine from RAVPower's website as I had a 30% off coupon. So the total was around $65 including taxes. By the way, if you want to get great deals, there's a website called Slick Deals that you can check out. So this SSD has great reviews on Amazon. It has 4.5 stars and almost 700 reviews. So this SSD comes in two different storage sizes, 512 GB, which is the one I have here, and the 1 TB. The 1 TB version is usually around $160, and it has a coupon of $20 clip coupon, which I've usually seen, bringing down the cost to $140. So let's get started with unboxing this SSD. Although this box looks huge, I think it would be mainly because of the cables from what I've seen on Amazon, and the SSD actually is really small. So let's get started. So as you can see, they have checked the 512 GB because this is a 512 GB version, and so this box comes with the easy pull tab to make it easy to open the box. Let's pull this. So the first thing out of the box are these user manuals, and we don't really need them, so let's just keep them aside. We also have a $20 gift card from them, and they are saying share your experience by leaving an honest review, and they'll give you a $20 gift card for Amazon. I think there will be some process that we need to follow, probably. So as you can see, they have 18-month extra warranty, total 36 months, I think, when you register online. And this has a USB-C port, and I think this is a LED indicator which will indicate that when you're using it, which will light up when you're using it. This has a USB-C port, which means I can connect it to any USB-C device like MacBook Pro or Dell laptops, or even mobile phones that come with USB-C. I will try to connect it with to my iPhone, but I'm pretty sure it won't work as it needs a lot more power than the Lightning port can provide. The Amazon page says that this is shockproof, so that's really good. So this SSD is rated at 550 megabits per second read-write speed. We'll be testing that shortly. So let's keep this aside and see what else is in the box. So this feels like it should have the USB cables. So that's a nice case that they have provided, in which you can put the external hard drive and the USB cables. Let's keep this aside. So as you can see, it comes with two different cables. The first one is USB-C to USB-C, and the second one is USB-A to USB-C. So both of these cables are short, which is a good thing, as you usually don't need a long cable for connecting your external hard drives, and it's actually not really convenient having a long cable. The quality of these cables feels really good. So there you have it. This is the RAVPower Mini External SSD. The next thing we'll be doing is testing its speed. So before we get to testing the read-write speed, let's see if I can connect it to my phone. So as you can see here, it easily detects the external hard disk. I just plugged it in and it detected it, and I can easily copy files here. So we'll be doing a speed test on this phone as well to see how much read and write speed we can get out of a phone. But for now, let's jump into my laptop and I'll show you how much read write speed I'm getting. So I've connected the RAVPower external SSD to my MacBook, and let's start with the speed test and see how much read and write speed we get. So as you can see, the write speed is coming out to be around 450. Let's see how much the read speed is. So the read speed we are getting about 510, which is really good. They have advertised they have advertised 550 megabits per second read and write speed, and the write speed is little less, but the read speed is pretty close to what they've advertised. So that's really good. Even the write speed, I think, is pretty good. Uh, it's not the best that I've seen. Like there are like some expensive SSDs that you can get which give you around like 1,000 megabits per second speed, but then again, this thing is within $100, and at this price, I think this is a really good deal. Here are the test results from my phone. The phone I used for this test is Galaxy S10e. As you can see here, the sequential write speed is 142 megabytes per second. The sequential read speed is 320 megabytes per second. The random read is 2 megabytes per second, and the random read is 5.2 megabytes per second. Although these numbers are already really high, they are not as high as you get when you connect to a laptop because the phone can't handle such high read and write speeds. For comparison on what the read and write speed are for internal storage of the phone and its SD card, I have attached the speed test results of them as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos, and also comment if you have any feedback or want to know anything specific about this product.